Alright, in this video I'm going to take a pick on a specific software built into Emacs. I'm talking about EWW, which is a browser built inside Emacs. And this is probably targeted to people who want to spend most of their computing time inside Emacs so they can enjoy the web related stuff without going out of Emacs. Other can also enjoy it, okay, but mostly targeted to people Emacs aficionados, okay, who love to stay inside Emacs for any damn thing they do. Okay, so without further ado, let me get into my Emacs, which I have opened already. Okay, so how do you invoke? As I said, it's a built-in web browser in Emacs. So how do you access it? meta-w. Look at the bottom of the screen. It is prompting me for the URL to be passed to open it. So how do I get this prompt? meta-w. Okay, so now let me type in a rudimentary URL and let it open. So my internet connection is a little slow, so spare with me. So this is how this browser is predominated with text related stuff. You will be better off seeing all the website which are dominated by text. It doesn't mean that it shows the graphics too, but there is some tweaking required, which I haven't bothered to do so, because in this video I'm going to take all the default stuff so you can get up and running with it. Okay, so here is what, and if you how do you move between the link? Just by pressing tab and shift tab. Shift tab will to go to the previous tab link. Tab will go to the next link. Okay, tab will go to the next link. Shift tab will go to the previous link. Okay, so now, so how do you bookmark a particular specific web page like this one? This is a web page, right? This is kernel.org, and if I want to bookmark it, just press B and it says set bookmark to. As you see, look at the bottom of the screen. Okay, if I write linuxkernel just to give it a tag, press enter, bang, done. So the site is bookmarked. How do I see the bookmark? Press capital B. See, you can see in right top here. Here is the bookmark. I have just bookmarked it. Okay, all right. So we are back in the website now. If you want to download anything specific, all you have to do, say for instance, if I wanted to download this particular table, I'll show you. This is the last example. Okay, so later. So if I open up this particular I'm opening up another link. I just put my cursor on it and press enter, so it open up, right? How do I go back? I press L to go back, R to move forward. Okay, how to go backward page? Just press L. It will take you to back where you came from. Press R to go to the space where you wanted to go. Okay, so it's a forward thing. Move to a page, you need to press R. Go back to the previous page, you need to press L. As simple as that. Okay, so if I want to see the history, whatever the page I have visited, just press capital H. It will show you the history, what I have already visited. I have visited very few, as you can see. Okay, in a different buffer, it will show you the history. Say if you have visited n number of pages, it will all enlisted. All you have to do, press capital H or shift H. Okay, all right. Now how do you reload the page? Just press G. Look at the bottom of the screen, it is connecting again, kernel.org or whatever the web page you have access it. It will simply reload the page by pressing G. Okay, now how do you open a new URL? Just press capital G and it will show you. Look at the bottom of the screen. Say if I wanted to go where, say I'm shellfish, so I write my my blog page. So I press capital G, which prompt me to enter a new URL to visit. If I press enter, it will take me to the site what I have entered it. Okay, so just hang on a minute because my internet connection is slow, so it is opening, it taking time. Please bear with me. And okay, so this is the stuff. Now the web page probably cluttered with a lot of stuff and you want to focus on specific thing. Okay, so there is a mechanism. If you press Shift R or capital R, it will basically improve the readability or make the page in such a fashion that it will be appropriate for reading without eliminating all the clutters in the web page. Okay, so if I press R, it doesn't do much, right? So, or it probably doing something which might take some time in my slow machine. Okay, so okay, now because of my slow machine it took so much time. I press capital R, so it eliminate all the unnecessary stuff in a web page and precisely make it a well reading point. You have to make the web page readable proper way by pressing capital R. Okay, so how do I copy the URL? Just press W. Look at the bottom of the screen, it says it's copied to the clipboard. Okay, I just press W, it will copy the URL of the visiting page in the clipboard, so you can paste it anywhere. Okay, so how do I see the enlisting of the tabs I have opened? Just press S. I don't have more than one tab, so it is showing only the single tab. Okay, if I open a number of tab, it will show you. Okay, so to go back I have to press L and it will take me there. Okay, so if I wanted to open a specific link to a tag, different tag, right? So all I have to do, just press meta and return. See, I have put my cursor on a specific link and press meta and enter. It will take it, it will open the stuff in a different tab. Now if I press S, okay, and oh, it's open in the same. Okay, it's open in a different. Okay, now press L to go back. Okay, so basically, so there are few keywords which is required to move around with this particular web browser. Okay, so it is not too many. Okay, and so should I write something so it will be easier for you to remember all this stuff? Okay, let me pull up the scratch. Let me write. Okay, shift and tab will take you to the previous link. Okay, and then B will bookmark. Okay, add bookmark rather. Add bookmark. Okay, in any point of time, capital B will take you to view bookmark. Okay, now D will download link. Okay, download the link. I'll show you just a moment. Okay, and L will take you previously visited page. Go back. R will take you go forward. Okay, and capital H will show you the history of your visiting pages. G will refresh the reload the page. Okay, and capital G will prompt for new URL to open. All right, capital R will be used to make the web page more readable. That means it will eliminate all the clutter in a web page. Okay, so W will copy the current URL in the clipboard. Copy the current URL to the clipboard. Okay, and meta and return will open the link in new tab. Okay, last S will show all the tabs, show or list, whatever you say, list all the tabs. These commands are good enough to get along with EWW, the browser built inside Emacs. If you save these commands and if you start using it, these commands will become very easily. It's just a one letter you have to press, and there are not too many, so it's very, very easy. So if I wanted to download these things I haven't shown to you, right? If I press the cursor, you see my cursor is moving on the table. Okay, if I press D, so it will going to download the table. The basic idea of pressing D is to download where the cursor is seated. Okay, so this is all I need to show you about the browser which built inside Emacs, and it mostly render very well with the text related stuff, or where the website dominated by text. Okay, so this is a wonderful, and it's a pretty damn good browser. So if people are inclined to spend more time inside their Emacs, they could use it at their will. Okay, so I hope this will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.